Hello, hi. So, this is Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So, today we will cover Java for loop. Okay, so let's get started with for loop. So, whenever you actually have how many times you want to loop through a block of code, you use Java for loop. Okay, so if we want to run 15 times, 20 times, then we use this for loop. Like syntax is given like for, then statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3. So statement 1 is executed once, okay, only once it will be executed, okay, before the execution of code of block. In second statement we define the condition, and in third statement we tell the that it should be executed that number of times. So increment decrement operator we use, okay, means it's executed every time after the code of block has been executed. Let's try with this example and let me explain you. So here we are declaring, this is declaration, int I equal to 0. Then I have given one condition, okay, I less than 5 and I plus plus. So here we have defined, now we are printing the value of I. So it is 0, condition is true, I plus 1, now I is become 1. So first 0 will be printed, now I value is 1. 1 condition is true, incremented, okay, so now 1 is printed, now 2 is condition true, incremented 3, 2 is printed, 3 condition true, then okay fine. Now third condition is true, 3 is less than 5, so condition is true, incremented 4, so 3 is printed, 4, okay. Now 4 is condition is true, now incremented to 5, but 5 condition is becoming false, then it is not printed. So 0 1 2 3 4, okay. Now see, in first statement we are introducing this declaration. We always do the declaration. In statement 2 we define the condition, okay, and third statement we use for increasing any value, okay. Another example is there. So here what we I plus 2 will be like from 0, then 2 4 6 8 10. First it is still 10, it will be executed. So equal to is given, okay. So 0 condition is true, now I will become 2. So first 0 is printed, then 2 condition is true, then it will become 4. After 4, 4 is printed, 6 it will become 6. 6 is correct, condition is true, 6 is printed, 6 plus 2 8. 8 condition is correct, it will print 8, and 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, condition is correct. Now 12 condition become fail, so it will not get printed. So 0 4 6 8 10. So like this we can. So now there is nested loop, it means inner loop, okay. This one is outer loop, inside this curly braces this loop is there, so it become inner loop, okay. This bracket is closed here, okay, and this bracket is closed here, so this is inner loop, okay, loop inside a loop. It always possible to place a loop inside another loop, this is called nested loop. Above one is outer loop, inner one is inner loop. If you want we can test it. Now outer loop we have to print I, okay. So 1 is there, 1 is less than equal to 2, condition is true, I plus plus. So 1 is printed outer, okay, and value become 2, okay. Now we will go to inner loop. Inner loop, first condition is true and it's going to 3, okay. 1 is less than equal to 3, correct condition, inner loop. Now it will become 2. Now again it will check. So 2 is there, the condition is true, 2 is printed. Now it became 3 as j is plus plus. 3 is correct because equal to sign is there, and 3 is printed. Then it will come out from this loop, and this value became 2. Now it will print outer loop 2, then go inside this loop, then 1, then 2, and then 3. Equal is there, then 3. Then the loop is completed, then it will go. Now condition fails, this will come out of the loop. So like this, outer 1 and 2 and inner 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, we can do this example. So for loop we are using. So for, if we want to print the text yes, so we will do yes. Okay, here we will use I 5 times and plus plus. Now we will submit and click on show. So correctly we have printed. So like this we do. Now we will move forward to for each loop. Okay, so for each loop is very simple. Okay, like here syntax we will see type, data type, and variable name we will give, and array name. Now let's see with the example. So string cars are there, so 5 cars name we have given, and string I, this is new variable, and this is our array. Now it will iterate, means it will print all the values. So iterate to first, this, second, third, and fourth. Let's try. See, 1 2 3 4, all the 4 are printed in sequence. Okay, so like this, it's like string I is this new thing, and array you kept here and print it like I. Okay, so we have completed for loop today. Please go through it. If you have any question, please comment, and please do like, subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.